AI workers earn more, a study finds. Europe working on an AI regulation, and Google developing a new AI secret superweapon that's about to change the game. This is Mate with Future Toots, and you're watching the AI Report. Like and subscribe for the best, most relevant, fastest AI news delivered straight to your brain every day, and let's get into it. This article perfectly aligns with the running theme of this channel. Get in on AI and do it now. Don't sleep on this one. You will have a tremendous advantage over 99% of people. If you've been following all the news and the hype, it may not feel like it, but we're still in the early days of AI. There's still tons of opportunity. Why worry about AI will kill jobs in the future when you can crush it now, right? So, early adopters in AI are raking it in, baby. Workers who are using AI are more productive, better paid, and more sought after by employers. Don't fear the AI, embrace it. Let's counter that point immediately, just for fun. So a few days ago, we had a report from McKinsey stating that AI will create tons of jobs. Well, today we have another report from another company full of MBAs, Goldman Sachs, predicting that AI will eat 300 million jobs. The report doesn't provide a timeline for this, which kind of moots the point. And yeah, that's how society works. New technology emerges, it eliminates some jobs, it creates new ones. So far, new technologies have proven to create more jobs than they destroy, although that may be different with AI because it might become capable of doing every single job we can think of, and that might change things pretty drastically. The EU makes the first move in regulating AI. The EU makes the first move in regulating AI. The European Parliament drafts a law that will address the potentially harmful effects of artificial intelligence. The law will include constraints on how AI can be used for facial recognition and also require AI companies to disclose information about the data they use to train their models. I like the first part. Let's not turn Europe into a surveillance regime. We already have one of those, and it's more than enough. The second part may slow down innovation to a degree, but it's also probably a good move in the long run for civilians like us, as we don't want to have all of these gigantic tech companies running around us and drowning us in AI-generated garbage. I hope that most of the powerful countries do something similar. Otherwise, Europe is just shooting itself in the foot with this, constraining itself to not pursue AI development at the full speed while other countries kind of press on the gas pedal and move along. Speaking of gigantic tech companies, Google adds more AI to their products. So with Google Lens, you will be able to take a photo of your skin and see what Google thinks about it. I'm not talking about whether Google thinks you have glowing skin, but whether it can identify health problems. So if you have like an odd mole or a rash, you just upload the photo to Google Lens and it will tell you if it might be serious. This won't replace a visit to the doctor. In fact, it's just another form of Googling yourself to find out that you 100% have cancer, something that we've all been doing so far. All jokes aside, this is a pretty useful feature, and I can't wait to scare the bejesus out of myself over nothing by using it. Other Google AI features, you will be able to shop directly from the search generative experience, and you can also virtually try on clothes with the new virtual try-on feature. In other Google news, Google is working on another large language model called Gemini. Ugh, I hate that word. Twins creep me out for some reason. Gemini will be multimodal, and it will be able to understand and learn from YouTube, including all the transcripts, images, and videos. I think this may be Google's ace in the hood. In AI, it's all about data. Data is the most precious resource. It's like the spice in Dune or like Coke in Scarface. It's the oxygen that enables AI to breathe. And through YouTube, Google probably have the largest dataset in the world and a big advantage. Gemini will also have memory and planning capabilities. Planning? Really? Like, haven't you seen any one single sci-fi movie? You want to give the AI planning powers? What's next? Like giving it feelings and desires and goals for world domination? But yeah, I guess Gemini might be the next best thing. Next, AI might make weather forecasts more efficient, although not necessarily more precise just yet. Dr. Dale Duran, a professor of atmospheric sciences at the University of Washington, has developed a machine learning model that can spit out long-range forecasts in a matter of seconds, with almost the same level of accuracy as previous models. So the new models are faster, but not yet as precise, although they are expected to get more precise as more data points are added. And finally, ending with some good news as always, specialists from the Russian Joint Institute for Nuclear Research have developed a mobile app to detect plant diseases. The photos are processed by computer neural networks. They can literally see pathologies in the images, all thanks to machine learning. The algorithms are more than 90% accurate. So AI saves the day one more time, and that's the way it is. This has been the AI Report, and let me remind you that it's all me here, one-man show. One guy sifting through all the news and horrors and chaos that AI has unleashed upon us to give you the most relevant news the fastest every day without you even having to read. So do us both a favor, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow.